I need to lose 57 pounds, so let me show you what I ate today in order to accomplish my goals.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high.
What up, guys? It's your girl Jasmine. Welcome back to another What I Eat. If you guys have not been following my shorts or never seen my face before and you haven't followed my other social media, I am on a journey to lose 57 pounds by the end of this year. I think this is a very realistic goal for me, and I think this is going to be something that is not going to necessarily be easy to accomplish, but something that is very much doable, right? So I want to show you guys what I'm eating in a day to kind of give you an idea how I'm navigating my weight loss journey in the most healthy and non-stressful way that I possibly can. So I have decided, I am currently doing 75 soft right now, so I am sticking to a diet. My diet is only 1,800 calories as well as intermittent fasting, so I can only eat from 12 to 8 o'clock. Now, I do work in retail. I have so much to tell y'all. Y'all are going to see that on the weekly vlog. But right now at my job that I currently have, I have to be at work today from 12 to 8:30. So with that being said, I had to get my lunch a little bit early. I did go to this salad kitchen place. I'll insert a clip so you can kind of see the layout. But I ended up getting a salad, and I am just drinking my water until 12 o'clock. Right now it's like 11:30. So I do have one of those circles, so it does have a flavor in it. So I have kiwi berry. So let me show you the salad that I got for lunch. I'm going to show you when I eat it, but I want to show you now because the lighting is really good. So I ended up getting this salad. Now, it has spinach, cucumbers, banana peppers, blue cheese, feta, olives, green olives, and black olives. It also has sun-dried tomatoes, and it has cranberries. And then on the side, I got Caesar dressing and a vinaigrette. I think a ginger vinaigrette. And then I got some tortilla strips on the side. And then I also got some croutons on the side for a little crunch. I need a crunch when it comes to a salad. Y'all know I just had a come to Jesus moment. The reality of it is that I go to work at 12 o'clock. I'm not going to be able to sneak off at 1 o'clock to eat my food. So I'm at Clean Juice right now to get me something that can hold me over. And I think I'm going to edit this and call this like eating on the go on a weight loss journey, because I forgot to bring all of my meals. So everything is going to be eaten out, but I still want to make sure that I'm in a calorie deficit and I'm still eating extremely clean. So that's a little tricky. Not so much because I'm in the Prosper Frisco area and it's kind of bougie over here. So people eat clean. Now, if I was in Fort Worth, it would be a little bit harder. But yeah, I'm about to go to Clean Juice and get me something to drink. Hi. Which juice do I want? Or should I get a smoothie? Last time I got the creamsicle smoothie. I could add protein to it. What do I... Gotta love Texas. So I ended up getting the protein smoothie, the pina colada one. This is about 400 calories again. I'm not gonna drink it until I get to work until 12 o'clock because I am intermittent fasting. But this is one of the reasons why I have to start bringing my food to work, because this was $30 between the salad and the smoothie. $30. And who got money to be paying for stuff like that?
On the phone strategizing for my company. If you guys do not know, I'm coming out with an accessory brand on May 1st. But anyway,
many hours have passed and I am at work, as you guys can see. If you saw in the previous clip, I did eat some of my salad already because I was just super hungry. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat some more of my salad. Switch out my poppies because I brought one, but then I had one from the other day. And this one is warm. So I'm gonna have my poppy and have the rest of my salad. I'm probably not gonna finish this salad. Now, you know my window of eating is relatively small. I say small, it's 8 hours. So it is from 12 to 8, and it's currently 4 o'clock right now. Sorry for the mess in the background. But this salad is so good. And if y'all wondering why it was in the bag, it's because I don't like cold salads. Now, I do not know how much calories this is. I'm only using one dressing. Well, I didn't use the Caesar salad dressing. And I do have croutons. And I do have strips. So, I'm really not sure how many calories this is. But I'm thinking that it's no more. Because when you look at it, what is it? Maybe like 1,000? That's being very generous. Oh, I did have 2 of these. My coworker brought these. There's 130 calories per serving. So I still think I'll be in a calorie deficit. But I'm not sure what my calorie intake is. But it's not going to be that high because it's just a salad and a smoothie. My hair look a mess. But let me finish eating. So I'm still at work and I have not even, I put a dent in this salad, but I still have a lot of salad left. It is quite literally 7:38 and I am not going to be able to finish that salad before today. So I am going to have a yogurt with no granola. It's just an Activia yogurt. I did not finish my Olipop, so I'm going to finish my Olipop and then eat my yogurt before 8 o'clock. And then I'm on water for the rest of the night. But this is a very simple what I ate in a day. This video might not be that exciting. It's still going to go up though. I feel like what I eat in a day are not going to be always just so exciting. Some of them are going to be really basic because when you're on a weight loss journey, I'm going to eat some of this too. When you're on a weight loss journey, everything's not going to be exciting every day. And this was a very basic what I ate in a day, which I think I was maybe at 1,500 calories. And that's really pushing it because I don't really know what the salad is. It's hard to guess what your calorie intake is when you're eating out. But my next what I eat in a day video, I will be making all my food. But let me go. I need to close the store down. I need to go home because I'm off work tomorrow. Okay? Bye.